Hello, welcome again. We are covering the topic axial flow compressor for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exam. And the next subtopic in the main topic of axial flow compressor is dimensionless parameter. And the first dimensionless parameter is the blade loading coefficient or temperature drop coefficient. It is the ratio of work done divided by kinetic energy of the rotor. So that is mean kinetic energy of rotor. So this is work done per unit mass, that is Cp del T naught S, and this is your kinetic energy of rotor, that is half u square, or can be written as 2 Cp del T naught S divided by u square, and this T naught S can be written as Ca u Ca tangent beta 2 plus tangent beta 3. So u will cancel out with u square, so here will be 2 Ca by u tangent beta 2 plus tangent beta 3. Okay, so this is the first dimensionless parameter, that is blade loading coefficient, that is work done by kinetic. Second dimensionless parameter is your degree of reaction. So it is defined as the static temperature drop in the rotor to the total temperature drop in the stage. So that is so it is T2 by minus T3 divided by T1 minus T3. And if we assume that inlet and outer velocity of the rotor are same, then T1 minus T3 will be equal to T0 minus T01 minus T03, and we have Cp T1 T01 minus T03 is equal to UCA tangent beta 2 plus tangent beta 3. But now we can write this as UA by Cp tangent beta 2 plus tangent beta 3. Okay. So here in case of compressor, this Cp T2 minus T3 was equal to half C3 square minus C2 square, or we have taken the absolute velocity square difference. But here in case of turbine we will take the relative velocity square difference, that is half V3 square minus V2 square. So this Cp T2 minus T3 will be half V3 square minus V square. And from the velocity diagram, this V2 is equal to Ca secant beta 2, or we can say V2 cos beta 2 is equal to Ca, or this V3 is equal to, this is your Ca3, Ca3 and Ca2 and Ca1 are and Ca are same, so V3 cos beta 3 is equal to Ca. So we can write this V3 as Ca secant beta 3 and V2 as Ca secant beta 2. So this can further be written as 1 plus tangent square. So it will be tangent square beta 3 minus tangent square beta 3. Okay. So this is your Cp T2 minus T3, and T2 minus T3 will be divided by this. Now we put the expression of T1 minus T3 and expression of T2 minus T3 in the degree of reaction, then we get this equation, Ca by 2u tangent beta 3 minus tangent beta 3. Okay, so this is the degree of reaction for axial flow turbine. And for axial flow compressor, the formula is Ca by 2u bracket tangent beta 1 minus tangent beta 1 plus tangent beta 2.